In some cars, the lower anchors are quite obvious. They may be right at the bite, or there may even be built-in plastic guides in the vehicle that makes it very easy to access. But in many vehicles, you have to remove some obstacles to even access the lower anchors, and a lot of the time it's just the cushions of the car itself. So in this case, you can see here we have the button that indicates that a lower anchor bar is nearby, and if we go down to this bite and push, you can find that yes, indeed, it's right in there behind the cushion. So remembering that when we put in our lower anchor connector, we want the heavy part to go over the bar. You need to decide, sometimes you have to lift the cushion upward to gain access to go over, or sometimes you just need to push it downward to see it and it will slide over. So occasionally you have to open it up in both ways when it's a really tight fit. In this case, we have this feature of the vehicle that's sometimes called a waterfall or a Tootsie Roll, and that part you just can push down to access in this particular car. But always check the instructions, because sometimes when these waterfalls are present, there are some other openings to access the bar. Also, in some cars, they say that you can adjust up here and fold the seat back a little, which is going to open up the bite a bit, and that sometimes makes it easier to attach to the lower anchor. But if you do that, always be sure to re-upright the seat and make sure it's in a locked position when you're done attaching.